I almost did it. I almost jumped over the chair like I used to, which would have been a possible injury like used to happen. Anyway, hey everybody, this is Jay-Z Crazy. On our last show, when I ate all the hot stuff, I forgot one thing. There was one thing left in the pantry that I overlooked. And it was Planters Grey Poupon Dijon mustard
Oh, you'll love
flavored
those.
peanuts.
You're gonna love those.
I'm going to what?
You'll love those.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, I think you'll like those a lot.
Why do you say I would like these a lot when you know damn well I don't like anything to do with mustard?
Well, you keep trying things with mustard on them, so you must like them for some reason.
No, I don't like them.
Oh, you liked the ice cream that was Grey Poupon.
Cooper's meowing. Cooper, come on in here. He wants me to go in the other room, but I have much more important things to do right now. Like eat this. So, knowing full well that I hate anything mustard,
This is gonna be his favorite snack of the year.
I don't even know how I got through the show the other day. But let's see how it goes today. I actually handled everything like a champ the other day. Today, I don't know how it's gonna go.
You should have just got some scissors to open those.
Why would I get scissors
When you could
when
just
I
rip
can
a-
open things
Like a monster?
like I'm retarded? Why would I do that? Okay, do you want any?
No.
Okay. Let's see if they smell like mustard.
I bet you they do.
Oh, they do. Oh. Here, try this.
No,
I
thank
poured
you.
a handful.
No, I'm good.
Would you like some at home?
Oh, those just peanuts?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so. Planters Grey Poupon Dijon mustard flavored peanuts. Made with white wine. You know,
Oh, I see. You couldn't.
I know people I could have invited here right now who would have really enjoyed this, but they're not allowed near me anymore. Okay, so let's go and try this out. Tasty. Hold on a minute. Between you and I, these are the worst fucking peanuts I've ever had in my life.
So they're your favorite, huh? Those are your favorite, aren't they? You look like you're really enjoying them.
I can't get enough.
There you go. Drink some of that. Tasty. Oh, headache. Ow.
What's wrong?
Headache?
Try.
Okay. No.
Oops, one dropped on the table. Wouldn't want to waste it.
Are you okay? It looks like you're forcing yourself to eat those.
No. I'm enjoying every bite.
You get that extra white wine in there.
Nothing against the peanuts. They're very tasty. I just can't eat them all. There's way too many here. Why don't you take the rest,
No, thank you.
please?
No. Oh, why'd you do that? And it wasn't an accident, was it? Was it an accident? It was an accident, wasn't it? Yes, it was. You did that by accident, right? That wasn't on purpose.
I wasn't looking for all of them to fall on the table. Maybe a few. Not this mess.
Oh no.
Why is this one so big? This is a walnut mixed in.
I know.
No, that wasn't so bad.
That's because it was sitting at the very bottom. It was waiting for you. Why continue to pour it onto the table?
Screw it now. There was only 2 left in here anyway.
But all the salt and everything and whatever that is going everywhere.
Guess somebody had some cleaning up to do.
Yeah, the guy who made the mess.
Okay, so what we learned here today is
Open these.
What?
Open them with a pair of scissors. That's one.
No, I don't think I learned that yet.
You should have.
What I learned today is never to buy anything that has any mustard in it. Oh, I just realized. I thought I bought these on my own.
Right.
I just realized I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
I just wasted a gift.
Right.
I bought so much the other day in a snack shop. I thought I bought these on my own. I typically wouldn't waste something that somebody buys for me or gives to me. Now I feel like an asshole.
What do you think you should do about that?
I guess the right thing to do would be to scoop all this shit up and actually eat it.
No.
I am. I don't like wasting food. Every peanut that I can scoop off this table, I will eat. I will not waste food because there are starving children in Africa
No, everywhere.
who love mustard peanuts.
My dad used to say in China.
Does it really matter what country the children are starving in? Starving children are starving children no matter where they live.
Right. They're also starving somewhere in.
Okay, I
Another
picked
country.
every single peanut up off this table. The only thing I can't pick up is all the salt.
Don't pick that up. It's just the peanuts. That's a lot.
I will eat them all.
You look like you're really, really enjoying that. You look so happy eating that.
Shut up.
I was waiting for you to say that.
Just shut up.
I was waiting.
Why do you feel the need
What?
to instigate all the time? Why must you encourage
Oh, that looks so delicious.
me to be upset?
That looks so good. Mmm. Mustard peanuts.
I really wasn't even in the mood for peanuts to begin with.
So what made you eat them?
The fact that I didn't eat them the other day when I was supposed to.
Oh. So are those
Who
your,
said that I don't have amazing content on this channel?
so that's your new favorite snack?
What other channel can you sit here and watch a moron just snack on peanuts for 20 minutes?
So your new favorite snack are Grey Poupon peanuts? That's your new favorite snack, huh?
No, I will never buy this, ever.
Why are you eating it? Why do you continue to eat it?
Because it's only fair that I review these and give my honest opinion, which I already gave. I don't like this. I don't like this at all.
But you keep eating it.
Because I'm a glutton for punishment. They're almost gone. Oops.
You should just put them all in your mouth and chew them up. Look at that. Aren't those good?
No.
Yeah, but he's eating them though. They're not good, but he's eating them. He's chewing them. And he's making the sound like it's good.
No, I'm making the ooh sound like I'm about to throw out.
Yeah.
Never ever get me mustard anything, anybody.
Mind you, what's gonna happen? Everything's gonna be mustard from now on. See, that's how you make that happen, by saying don't do it. They're gonna do it.
I will never eat mustard anything ever again. I've had more mustard products this week
How about this year?
to last me a lifetime. Okay. Wow, I can't wait till we start the travel stuff. When this turns into a travel channel, and I don't have all peanuts stuck in my teeth, I'm gonna be a very happy man. All right. Can I leave now, or do I have to swallow all of them first?
You have to swallow them all. Take a drink of whatever that is, the Powerade, and rinse it around and swallow it down.
I hate. Number one, I hate talking while I'm eating.
Right?
Number two, I absolutely hate getting food stuck in my teeth.
Oh,
I feel like I have a peanut stuck in between every tooth in my mouth.
you probably do. That's what they make floss for.
Very uncomfortable feeling. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay, I'm done. This is it.
Well, there's no more to eat from that bag, right?
This wasn't a particularly fun one. I had more fun the last episode. Fucking hate peanuts stuck in between my teeth. Where'd you go? Why are you ducking down? I'm not gonna throw anything at you.
Oh,
You act like an abused woman. I don't understand. I've never once even raised my hand to you. Why are you cowering in fear? I don't understand. I'm mad at the peanuts, not you.
oh, I thought you were going to get upset at me or something, so
No.
just wanted to stay out of the way,
No.
just in case.
I'm mad at all the peanuts stuck between my teeth. I will go floss now, brush my teeth, never eat mustard, anything again.
Until there's mustard something as a challenge.
Don't buy anything for me to eat. Nobody send anything for me to eat. No companies send me products made out of mustard to eat.
Oh my God, imagine the stuff that comes.
No, nothing better come.
They're going to do it because you said not to.
They don't know where I live, and I won't tell them where I live.
I know someone that will tell them. Oh, and that person might get you a bunch of mustard things.
Nobody better get mustard anything. And I'm not even joking, I'm serious. There is a mustard ban taking place from this point for the rest of my life. No mustard anything.
Watch, there'll be mustard.
Better not be. Excuse me.
Did you almost throw up?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
This has been JG Crazy.